Hello everyone, it's Shantae here, Profit Mode Financial Services. Hope that you're having an amazing day. I wanted to ask you a question. How much sales tax do you owe? What's your sales tax rate? A lot of people make the assumption that their sales tax is going to be 8.25%, when in actuality, it may be a different rate due to the city and what the city requires in terms of how it allocates sales tax. So if you have multiple locations, it's important for you to look up each and every location, or your accountant should look up each and every location of your business, entities or what have you. Some people own restaurants and they may have stores all over Texas, or you may have individual stores all over Texas, or photography boutiques all over Texas. So you want to make sure that you look up each and every one of the locations to figure out what your sales tax is. Okay, so I wanted to show you where you would go to look up this information. So on the state comptroller's website, there's a place for you to actually locate your sales tax. All you do is you're going to put in your address, your city, and then your zip code, and this is going to allow you to be able to figure out what it is. So if you have 20 locations across the state of Texas, you need to be sure that you're charging the right sales tax amount, that you go ahead and put in the address, the city, and the zip code so that you can go ahead and program this information into your POS system. Some people have the capital that may have this information already pre-programmed in it based on the location and the software that they're utilizing, and some people do not. So I wanted to be another resource to provide for you. Where can I find out this information, or to validate that I'm actually charging the correct amounts? Okay, so that is going to be a great tool for you to use. It's right over there at the comptroller's office. It's going to allow you to know where you stand and know how much money you should be charging your customers. All right, if you found this information helpful, definitely leave this video with a thumbs up. Share it with a fellow entrepreneur. Also, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to grow this channel as much as possible to be bringing valuable information to entrepreneurs who are just starting their journey, or who are expanding their journey, and they need to just be kept in the loop on things. And until next time, stay profitable and stay great, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.